Today, as I stand here as President and leader of our great nation, to the people of Kenya, in northern Kenya, for this marginalization, I want to apologize on behalf of the nation of Kenya. Poleni sana ndugu zetu. It was never meant to be this way. For decades, distance was used to justify exclusion. Today, we are defeating distance. With a 750-kilometer northern Kenya gateway corridor linking Isiolo, Wajir, and Mandera, we are undertaking the most significant and consequential road investment in this region since independence.
We are looking forward to the completion of your famous road connecting Mandera to Ramu, to Gare, to Elwak, to Kobo, from Kobo to Kotulo, to Tarbaj, to Wajir, to Samata, to Modogashe, past Garbatula, all the way to Kulamawe and Isiolo. Ile pesa mingi ya kujenga mabawa ya maji under the National Infrastructure Fund, most resources will be dedicated to arid and semi-arid lands, and that is going to change the fortunes of Wajir, northern Kenya, and the nearly 75% of the arid and arid lands of our country. Rais Ruto, ni fire si fire.
Sijawahi kutoa machozi kwa mkutano wa madaraka, lakini leo imekuwa tofauti. And I feel you. I feel this moment. And I feel the people of northern Kenya. And I want to assure you that from now going forward, we are going to work together